In this video, we will learn about a module known as Form Builder, through which you can easily create your forms. We have learned about how we can easily create a contact form or a sales inquiry form before, but through this module, we can easily create a form by selecting any field by also providing validations, options and other options. So you can easily create form using this module. For going to the module official page, just go to the website drupal.org. Here you can see the official website is visible. Project/form_builder is the official module link. Here you can see its features are visible, as well as the details of installation, as well as the project information. So we have learned about how to install a module in previous videos. So now you can see you just have to download it from here. Then you have to upload the zip file under install new module section. Now we will move further. Here you can see we will go to modules. Now we have installed the module. Now here you can see under the other section, others, you can find the form builder as well as form builder examples module. With that, we can also find form builder web form UI, through which we can easily create a form. So if you can see here that we have developed our website under Drupal 8, but now we are using Drupal 7 because the modules available under like form module and extensions module aren't working for Drupal 8 because they haven't been updated till now for Drupal 8. So we are working on a new website for Drupal 7. This website is developed on localhost with Drupal 7, so we will work upon it. So now let's say you have installed the form builder module. So now just go to the home page, and here you can see the form builder example link. Just click on it to create a new form. Here you can see the module is visible, the settings, all the settings are visible. Here you can see the form preview. If you want to add a new text field, you can add it from here. With that, you can also add sample checkbox size, sample text area, radios and other stuff. On the left, you can see we can easily add any field by dragging and dropping. Here you can, if you want to add a checkbox, you can easily add it. Also a number, you can easily add it. So let's add a text area to it. So let's add it. So as you can see, I have placed the cursor here for adding a sample text field, and with that all the properties are visible. Here you can see the properties, like you can add a title, the default value of your text and the description. Like if you want to tell user that enter your name, you can add it here. Here is a display, click on it. Here you can add the prefix and suffix. With that you can also add the size of the text area or the text box. The last one is validation. Let's say you want it to be a required field, you can easily add it, so that if user will forget to add this field, the form won't submit. So you can use this for email IDs as well as name. So here you can also see we have added a sample checkbox using a drag and drop option. So after doing all the changes, you can see the form preview from here. So in this video, we learned how to work upon a new module known as Form Builder, which is right now only working for Drupal 7. So we uploaded it under Drupal 7. Thank you for watching.